Join me as I dive into the major update for SOUN Stock and see if I can uncover all the new features before anyone else. SOUN Stock has been a go-to destination for creators looking for high-quality audio resources, and this major update is set to take it to the next level. With a focus on enhancing user experience and expanding audio options, it's clear that the team behind SOUN Stock has been listening to user feedback. One of the biggest pain points with the previous version of SOUN Stock was the limited audio options. Users often found themselves scrolling through endless lists to find the perfect track, only to come up empty-handed. The search functionality was also a bit clunky, making it difficult to find specific types of audio. This led to frustration and wasted time, which is something that any creator can ill afford. The previous version also lacked a clear categorization system, making it hard to browse through the available audio tracks. This resulted in users having to rely on manual searches or dig through irrelevant results. Users also reported difficulties in discovering new and trending audio tracks. The overall experience was starting to feel a bit stale, and it's clear that an update was long overdue. The new update promises to address these issues and more. For starters, the search functionality has been completely overhauled, making it easier than ever to find the perfect track. The team has also introduced new audio categories, which should help users discover fresh sounds and explore different genres. The user interface has also gotten a significant makeover, with a cleaner design and more intuitive navigation. One of the standout features of the update is the addition of user-generated playlists, which allows users to curate and share their favorite tracks. Another exciting feature is the integration with popular video editing software, making it seamless to import and use SOUN Stock's audio tracks. But the most exciting feature of the update has to be the AI-powered audio recommendation system. This game-changing feature uses machine learning to suggest audio tracks based on a user's search history and preferences. It's a total game-changer for creators who struggle to find the perfect audio track, and it's going to save a ton of time. In summary, the SOUN Stock update is a massive step forward for creators looking for high-quality audio resources. With improved search functionality, new audio categories, and a revamped user interface, it's clear that the team has been listening to user feedback. What do you think about the update? Let me know in the comments below. I'm especially curious to hear about your favorite new feature. If you're interested in learning more about audio resources and updates, be sure to check out my other videos.